modern management approach. As per the modern management approach, there are two ways. One is the systems management, or the other one is the contingency approach. Both can go hand in hand also. Contingency is extremely important that every management should realize. But first we're going to study what the systems management approach is. As per the systems management approach, it emphasizes on resources, that is the employees and the material, both of your resources are extremely important. They're employed for achieving the organizational goal. So a system requires the elements to come together, stick in together, and start working together. So that's basically what a system is. A system by itself cannot work. It needs the right elements to come together. It aims to integrate and bring interdependence between systems and subsystems of an organization. Now, what is a system? If you consider as per strategy, the major strategic plan, and then each departmental plan, all of these, they have to come together and then they can achieve. So the aim is to integrate and bring an interdependence between them. And it focuses on interdependence of workflow and process. The completion of the work at the lower level will lead to the completion of the work at the higher level. So the chain cannot be broken. What this system management approach believes in is that there is a chain and a weak link can actually break the chain. So you have to ensure that you do not have any weak link. The contingency approach, on the other hand, says it considers all decisions are situational in nature. This is very current. The contingency approach says the situations decide what decisions can be made. We can agree or we can disagree with it. If we are only basing everything on situation, then we can never plan anything and we can never direct our teams in how to perform. This is a right approach, but I think this can only be used when it comes to risk management. And that too, you can do a situational analysis of what could be the expected risks that could appear. And if they appear in that situation, what should be the strategy that we should carry on? Decisions are taken based on applying innovative ways and demands consistency and harmony internally and externally. So if you see the last point, it's extremely important. It demands consistency and harmony internally and externally. So if you're basing your entire strategy completely on the contingency approach, this means that you by yourself are not very sure of where you could get because you're only relying on the situation. Are we only supposed to rely on situation? Maybe in some cases, but not always. So if you're a good manager, you will consider the situation all the time, but you would have a certain direction that you will have to take. And in that path, however the situations arise, you know exactly how to steer through them and get to the destination that is your strategic goal. So these were basically the two modern approaches to management. The traditional approaches, modern approaches, I feel they should be mixed together, and then accordingly, any management should be making any kind of strategic plans. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you.